Aquarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Pwede ninyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil nakakakuha kayo doon ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates. Aquarius, maraming salamat sa iyo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies, gabay, at mensahe para sa inyo for Aquarius, please. Ano yung mga mensahe, gabay, and energies for Aquarius, please? Ano yung mga paparating na mga ganap, no? Energies and messages for Aquarius. Okay. Queen of Swords. Okay. You will be smarter. You know what you want. For some of you, you will be overcoming pains, no? Mga pagsubok sa buhay. Okay. You are clearing away all things that no longer serves you. Yung mga hindi nakakatulong sa inyo, you are cutting cord with them, okay? You will be direct in your communication. Kung ano yung gusto mo, sasabihin mo or gagawin mo, okay? The Empress. Kung meron kayong mga naiisip na mga creative projects, okay, or may mga ideas, it's time for you to showcase it, no? It's time for you to show it, okay? This is a card of abundance and prosperity. Yeah, you are going towards abundance and prosperity, Aquarius, no? Kasaganahan, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng chance to share your blessings, okay? To receive and share your blessings, okay? Ace of Swords, this is victory and breakthroughs, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity, makakaroon ka ng solusyon sa inyong problema, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are getting some truth, no? Truths, okay? Of a situation, okay? Yeah, magbibigay sa inyo ito ng achievement and success. Yeah. For some of you, you are traveling overseas, okay? Merong completion, no? Sa inyong situation. A successful completion of something, okay? An achievement. Okay? Maybe sa work mo yan, sa mga projects na tinatapos mo, okay? Or for some of you, if you are waiting some news abroad, you will be receiving it. It's a victory. It is a success, okay? Yeah, definitely. Ten of Pentacles, kasaganahan, legacy, okay? So, lahat ng mga kailangan mo sa buhay ng family mo, you will be able to support and sustain it, okay? This is good life for you and for your family. Yes, delays are over. For some of you, you will be getting news, communication, okay? From someone who has the position, no? Yeah, in a company, a decision maker, okay? Yeah. Delays are over. Many things happening at once, no? Magiging busy ka. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, new contract, new job, okay? An offer, a job offer. You'll be receiving it. Wow. Money also, this will indicate big money, okay? For some of you, this is incentive. Or malaking komisyon. Okay, money. you feel that you are trapped. Sometimes this is just an illusion, no? That you cannot do anything. You are lacking confidence. So, be confident. Use your intuition. Get out, no? From that kind of mentality, yung parang hindi mo kaya. Okay? King of Swords, no? A sudden ganap, no? Biglaang ganap. Okay? A sudden news will come to you and kailangan ng isa ng inyong matalinong pagdidesisyon. Okay? Yeah. You will have the chance na mag-grow ang inyong money, ang inyong savings. For some of you, you are waiting. Okay? There will be improvement when it comes sa kung ano man yung inyong inaantay. Okay? Or kung ano man ang inyong ginagawa. Yes. Okay. Death. Okay? Ending ng difficulties, no? Merong transformation na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Okay? Magandang pagbabago. Okay? Let go of the old and welcome the new. Okay? Temperance. Balance and harmony. Magkakaroon ka ng balance and harmony sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong pakiramdam. Okay? For some of you, be patient also. Okay? Sa mga nagiinom, okay, may mga hindi magandang habits, okay? Balance and moderation is needed. Okay, kalma lang. Yes. A wish come true, no? A dream come true for you. Parang you feel na parang this is the path for you. Ito yung para sa akin. Parang ganyan. Okay? Merong happiness. Okay? And pride. Okay? Yeah, because of your hard work, no? You are skilled sa ginagawa mong trabaho. Okay? Meron ka ding mga bagong pag-aaralan. Maybe you will be attending a seminar or orientation or training, something like that, na may kinalaman sa inyong trabaho. Okay? Yeah, your skilled work also, your skilled work is being rewarded or will be rewarded. King of Swords, decision. Okay? You will hear from someone, maybe a boss, a leader, okay? You will get a communication from them regarding work. Yeah, for some of you, you need to speak your mind, no? Kung meron kayong mga questions or meron kayong clarifications, kailangan mong sabihin yun. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are getting advice also. Okay? From someone na mas nakakaalam or mas senior sa inyo. Okay? Good, good. The Hermit, meron kayong pag-iisipan. Okay? Decision. You need answers, you need enlightenment. Okay? You're thinking about a solution on something. Maybe sa work mo to, no? Yeah. Mayroong pagmumuni-muni. Thinking about your situation. Okay? King of Wands, focus on your goal. Focus on your vision, your dreams. Okay? Be a leader also. Be confident, Aquarius. Okay? Queen of Cups, no? Develop yourself, nurture yourself, okay? Yeah. Merong offer, no? Or invitation sa inyo. It will make you feel good, no? Yeah. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga additional na messages for you. Yeah. For some of you, you are waiting and be patient, no? You will be receiving news, a favorable news or information or communication from someone who has a leadership role. Okay? Yung may mataas na posisyon sa trabaho. Okay? There will be a new beginning for you, an ending of something, and a new beginning for you. Okay? It will make you feel good, no? Magkakaroon ka ng balance, no? Sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong pakiramdam. Yeah. You are guided spiritually. Merong guardian angel na nagpo-protect sa inyo. Okay? New contract, new job offer, a wish come true. Yung mga concerns mo will fade away. Aquarius. Kung meron kang matagal na inaantay, yeah, waiting, no? Merong good news about that. You will receive the answers. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you will be taking a leadership role. Yeah. Okay. This is the energy of strength and authority, no? Clear thinking. Okay, you will receive a communication about work. Okay, delays are over. Okay, you need to believe in yourself, no? Get out from this illusion, negative, no? Minsan sa isip mo lang ito. Okay? So, additional message for Aquarius, please. Yeah, for some of you, merong travel, okay? International to or abroad. You will receive some answers or solution or magkakaroon ka ng clarity, no? Sa isip. Kung ano man yung pinangangambahan mo, okay? Ang wino-worry mo, you will get clear thinking or clarification in your situation. For some of you, you will be completing a project with pride, no? It's a job well done for you. Sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. So see, confirmation, a fresh start, new beginning. Sunrise. Heart, love, deep affection, and caring. Okay. Merong tulip, great passion. Okay. For some of you, you have a wonderful relationship, no? With your person. Okay. There is love, deep affection, and caring. Merong suporta sa inyo, yung person mo. They care for you. Okay. Merong sun, again, happiness and well-being. So, kasanagan or kaliwanagan sa inyong sitwasyon. After some dark days, no? Or dark nights, magkakaroon kayo ng pag-asa, happiness, no? Enlightenment, joy. Okay? For some of you, yeah, you have unsuccessful plans, okay? Kung meron kayong mga plano, maybe it's not meant for you kasi you deserve something better. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Tingnan natin. Additional message from the Spirit. Yeah, for some of you, kailangan mo ng self-care and self-love. Okay? Be confident, no? Speak kind words, no? Think kind thoughts. Kumbaga, mag-plan ka ng happiness in your mind. This is for some of you. Okay? Just take what resonates for you. For Aquarius, accept where you are at this moment in time. Only then can you begin to move forward. Be clear about your intentions. This makes us easier for us and the universe to help you. Doors will open unexpectedly. Be ready. Okay? So, be ready, Aquarius. Okay? So, merong transformation, no, sa inyo. Positive change. Okay? Embrace the new. Alright? So, all the best sa inyo, Aquarius. Maraming salamat and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!